AK Frank Erioshi. AK Frank Erioshi. AK Frank Erioshi. Since he said I print out, I report my page. Not be him, but he said I agree, but let me use it to grow this page. AK Frank Erioshi o. AK Frank, you know we ya wo Frank is not be men. AK Frank, you know we ya wo Erioshi. Erioshi o, my people, Erioshi. AK Frank Erioshi. AK Frank Erioshi. AK Frank Erioshi. Awoke nogi. Si a eme na gbepo e na. Wa si a eme. Wa life eme mo e hunari ene. Mo se me yo egbe mo ya gbagbe baka. Mo ji yen gbagbe baka. AK Frank Erioshi. AK Frank Erioshi. AK Frank Victor Erioshi. AK Frank Victor Erioshi. Erioshi. Agwana wa se be aye, se aye. Na si aye. Odo unya. Please share this video, share. Invite more people, please. Thank you, my love. Wa si agume, ore atu agbo we, or we on go to go on social media. He talk and rich like that, say na bring my page. Now okay, let me use and take grow this page. I agree. AK Frank Erioshi o. My God to be. Enough is enough. AK Frank. AK Frank, oye 20. AK Frank, oye 20. AK Frank, oye 20. Please, no one share this video. AK oye 20. I'm a poor now. I'm an deal with her. And I need to bring disgrace. Don't men, more support me. Me will take deal with this boy. Don't men, please support me. Me will take deal with this man. Don't men, more join me. Me will take deal with this boy. While your boy on me, can I act be poor now? While your boy on me, can I act be poor and they bring disgrace to una. If they bring disgrace to una, or they disgrace you want. If they bring disgrace to una, Frank, they bring disgrace to Benin women. Very soon, men, una no go see you go carry una again. Why you mean no mu? Why you mean no mu? Rude Frank or Mozuo? A Frank no Mozuo. Very soon, why give me no more? If they break shame and disgrace. If they break shame and disgrace, imagine I useless among the Benin men. But now if they come, they say, Benin men, wait me apply me. They say you not there among una when they give Benin girl belle. The one when they give belle, that one, omufwa. Omufwa. No, you got they join people. They talk down on una, they insult una. What a pity. What a pity. Thank God you are welcome. What a pity. The way Frank they insult you now. The video. I don't know where I could do this video. Na blogger. Yeah. Yeah, me they beat among bay. Yeah. If you never enjoy a bay. If you never enjoy a bay, they call some madman. Madness. See who they talk to person. If they talk to a no-gay wife. Okay now. If they distract Mekus, Frank no get a friend. You not get babe. And they wait for the single mother by stupidity in Yamulatia. And no get wife, or him marry her, or working no gi, or guero wa. Or who when where you in Nigeria, I won't go come. Madam, I won't go come. You come abroad, you abandon your pikin, your only child. Your only child. Imagine, look at now, you know they grow, it don't date Facebook. It don't date Facebook. For more than 5 years. Almost 5 years when they spend for a you come. He made they do charity because of laziness. Please, no one share this video now. Share to group. Make people know say I did here. Because of laziness. We not do. We go open page to the insult women. When I say a smart or useless rich. Then the Frank is useless say. Because of social media money. Frank. I'm writing. May work, may look for woman, may work, stay Italy to get document, may go bring a wife and pikin. No. Now from single mother to single mother. Yes, so single mother to single mother. Now Frank for the end up. Frank, you are a useless man. Frank, you are a Bekus liquor. Baby come from my mouth. The only man when they suck Bekus suck blood. Ha! Frank, who are you motivating? Who are you motivating? You won't compare yourself with Enoge. Ije. Enoge get 4 children. Marriage or no marriage? Yes. You are the only useless man in Edo Kingdom. The only useless man in Edo Kingdom. The only man when you go leave, you go, okay, Frank, no, you know, yeah, not take my body. When I go Nigeria, say I go to Faka. If I even do, you concern him. My guy on my attack on. He say, man, I need video and can't give him. He concern him. For him, I know what Frank they think. As he come out on media to they talk rubbish. My sister, I don't know. Me, they say that they change person. Me, I wait to useless. As I see test and so, he not change. He good for other women to know say, except he change. He's a useless man. He's a useless. My sister, I don't be say I open like I come out. No, as it happen a mistake. I'm not deny say he not lick my peckles. He lick him. I it happen. He don't they toast me for long. Eh? He don't they toast me for long. I remember when I never come out to meet you when they do hook up. Now that time we come be friends. I come meet and say I define hook up. Joke. Now so me and Querita sit talk. I define hook up. Joke. They go find for me. I not go carry. If he introduce man for me, I go tell her say the man will go tell her say that woman. Now tough and your lady you. From there you go they like me. As they go they take they give her my story. Because if man call you toast me, I go they interview with funny. You know I get funny where. They go they like me. They go they tell her. See what happen. From there you go they like me. They treat for me. You know. Come they toast me. You understand? Because they toast me. Every time they tell me, say, if woman never get belly, he no go pay price. If woman never, you no go pay price. One day I can't write a message. Say, no, they tell me that kind of word if you tell me. Any man, when he said, I can't tell I get to any man when he marry me, cut, I go still born Tilly. By God's grace. Say, out of wedlock, he try. I know they try him. Now, so, it take happen. You understand? He can't they tell me, say, he won't come see me, I not agree. For since now June last year, now me with Frank start to the talk. June. Now cheap woman be that. June, my Facebook can't get problem. December 4. Man, when they say I won't see you if I not agree. Now December 4, when I can't need them to use. Now I can't agree me come. When I'm not the think, why is he? Is that a sheep woman? Is that a sheep woman? Is that a sheep woman? Okay, if they come, if na me really toast them, na me really want them. He no ask me for tickets. I no buy. If they go back, he asked me to buy a ticket. Now I tell us, okay, I know they buy ticket for man. Now say they call Ibo. Honey, now swade, or not the money. Because me no say na money they find, no buy ticket because in the hide they go. It not fits enter train because they in the hide. For you know say I say no they come out for occasion when it day. One day now because they laugh, if you go rent to test, spend 2 days, take picture, make them say come out. You will do they compare better person with Frank. No compare, no get with Frank. If you say a no get far better pass Frank, where you compare here, a no get better pass Frank 1,000,000 times. A no get 4 children, 4 guests, 4. He with the baby mama not there for Nigeria before he come abroad. Now all those young age, chop life, not take the woman belly for Nigeria. No, they're not there. The woman don't follow live her life. The pikin they go 15 years now. I be 15 years. To not say they are not there before she come abroad. If to say they're there, I know they never spend 50 years for abroad. Therefore, born just pikin. This Egbo pikin, they 7 years. They are born before he come out. He marry, leave woman for us. When I know they hear the points. When I know they hear, I'm gonna share this video now. When I know they hear the points. When I know they understand what they talk. If you say I know they understand what they talk. And no gear, no marry for us. You know understand now, chopping life, now I give my belly. But the character, now he good. Even though the woman say not give her money, na lie. He give her money, they give her money. No case a good man. He don't born 3. Very soon now, I have a POV. My POV. At least, no relationship that they marry where they call and not they come. First, use my sister. I want to tell them, take give excuse. My sister, when they see me from my family, we get our temper. Me with her husband, I also fight the fight. Inside the fight, now 20 years they can't for marriage. So, the man and man, when he say, oh man, you know, you decide, I say, to woman, not go born for her. Yes. They are still together. Yes. Now make a marry man when he get shame. Man when he stand by what not be man when he not care. Say, I'm a traditional man like this Ozuo Frank. Like this Ozuo Frank. Not marry such man. Marry man when he get shame. Man when he talk say, no matter what, I go there with my wife. Man when he not care. If you leave not so jump like this Ozuo. Now he could jump. This Ozuo me and a quarrel. Because what he make me decide say it's over. I feel deal with who I born for. Talk less of Ozuo. One no picking. Even more Ozuo when me born for. We are never born for you. We never marry. Me and you get misunderstanding. He carry one woman. No matter he carry that woman come out. They use her to intimidate me. They talk. They do a live stream together with her. That one. They talk. Say, if I don't love her, waiting I can. If I don't love her, waiting I can. If I don't love her, and he said, "Na me first come out to meet her." Because say he not come out directly. They use woman to intimidate me. Abi, now he carry me come out to meet her. Me I call the cross people. He not call they support me for page again. He officer not make her without time. Because they carry that one. Because they help her. And I say, this boy. Now those kind of men, when he be say you get problem with, they're going to use another woman. Now so my baby papa still be. Because they use another woman, they intimidate you. I hate such thing. They use another woman, they compare you, make for paying you. Later they'll come they beg. No, he say, yeah, I see them my body. I say, Now that time, I take decide, say, it's over between me and man. How me and man go get misunderstanding? He go, they carry another girl, he go abandon me. Then, come they, because he say me I get bella, I not get. He go ignore me. They carry another woman. They intimidate me on media. They just style, they talk to me. People don't know what thing they talk. I'm not reason, and I'm not a foolish woman, as soon as think. People don't know say that me, they're using the way they talk to. You got me? So I got quiet. So I was so pissed off. I not say it all over. Now take come out to meet and let now when that way they mad when they Munich come and they talk to me. Come they talk to me. Now they say, that one call me, because they talk to me after they don't planning, which I'm bed they did after 4 hours. That one call they cost me. Now where they say that they first come out to meet her. I take come out to meet her, even though they talk to me indirect. So because they do my show, they talk, say, man, say get belly. I tell her, say, go pay bride price. Now so it happen. But you don't talk and say, because they use it direct, they talk to me. If they expect, say, shame, no go let me come out, come talk with you. You understand? The intimidation was too fucking much. Indirect speech with Yasupaka. I say, Now I take come out to start to the talk. You understand me? So after all those intimidation, me even surprised, say, he never still go meet them at that time. Now because they believe say the Asupaka, he really get guy as they talk. But he can't lose me because of Asupaka, and because of Asupaka make me decide. Because you know if they use Asupaka, they intimidate me. They talk to me anyhow. You understand me? I'm a woman, I get choice, so I not be that woman. You don't first talk and say my baby papa. You don't first talk about and say my baby papa they work for NPC. You don't look me. Now target in a PhD. If I born for illiterate, when we illiterate in me, picking when I go born for and get future. Yes. Yeah, you mean in Kualowa. He be for free. He be more. I know they born free picking. I call Frank, let me tell you. You don't know what to make me you dump you. I don't know the reason as if I born for this bastard. If you go marry me tradition. If you not reason one time, November, go check video with Frank too. More than watch your November video. He don't they toast me. I don't they give a condition. Because they talk, say, any woman when I marry, I must marry me at the check time. I'll go pick my son 11 o'clock. You know, say na car, even though I'm late, small, no problem. 5 minutes, I don't reach there. You understand? Even though any woman when I give belly, I must marry her properly. I must register. And me, be that woman. Yes, I'm that woman that we was talking about. Because now me they give her the regular regulation say, Imweko a court marriage. Even my guy. Itamiya. Court marriage. Yes. Ma bon. No wahala. Yes. Court marriage. Okay, thank you, Ivie. God bless you. Thank you. Now, he say any woman when he give belly, that time we never meet, we never see. He was toasting me. Every time, I get all the message. Every time, he go say, why be say my relationship, my condition? Or my relationship, my condition, I be with the quarrel. It's either me block him or him block me. Me block him until my YouTube can't happen. How me got a ship? My friend are like that. Now, you problem make me musician. My women are the quarrel for get belly, pay blood price, go decide they give her conditions, I they use my past, they use her in case time. When I'm not the year. How me take cheap for that kind of man? When I know what it be cheap. To say now some guess when you need this locability, how many they call her locability. This locability boy, he go to invest all our money. You understand? I give her a condition. All the relationship throughout was condition. When he come make car, come easy for her. He come be whether now he can go tell the husband, may give me strike. No me ever lala me, be my marry. When then he go bread, make it take care. No bell. May he can't give me strike. So that he go see time tell me. Me, I'm not gonna know. I don't know. This entity, now he tell me to insult Ketekia. And you put page for me. When the thing happen, I call and say, see what thing happen. As a good woman that I am, I'm a good woman. He himself confirm man. If I know good, now who I born for, no come they beg me. Me and they give her condition. If I know the penny, he come and he confirm and say I'm a good woman. He talk very good. I get clean hearts. I don't get bad hearts. I feel they talk, no look my talk. If you come close to me, I swear to God, you love me. You will be a happy person. There's no one man show. Oh, wait, more than not the judge or single mother. And I make me they pay me say why things they had good person. They need log on but it's never too late. Yes, it's never too late. It's never too late. Mrs. Yobosa, if she's not a good woman, why a character not pursue this man when she married so? Pray me you not jam bad man when he go give you bad name. Let my case be. You understand? Bad man. When he go give you bad name, let my case be. Come close to me, may you really know who I am before you judge me. He dey pain her. Oh, he hope say as he come and come, they bring me down. I know if he talk. You understand? I know see you go carry a guy dead there. Anytime you come beg me, I go forgive him. You know say you cannot use my fellow woman to intimidate me. Not be me first carry my comment. Now if first carry a super can come and say if I not love her, waiting I can. He started it. So I was like, So that kind of man now would they wait for? No. I mean, there was no time when I take get her for me, I say we go. I'm not a coward. It's only a coward who don't stand by their ways. The real women stand by their ways. You know, let it be. No. Don't be a woman that a man will left anytime he come. He will pick you after I don't go bonbon, follow another woman. You just carry on so easily. He will do it again. Give them condition. Yes, the downfall of a man is not the fear to let go. No, not the fear. Be like me. Have a good character. Yes, have a good character. Be a good woman. Be a woman of mission. If you be a good woman, any man when you live your life, he will come back to you. I'm talking out of experience. I'm talking out of experience. If I show on a message, when you also seated, they beg me, una go she. If he beg me, pepper body, entire body, he go block himself. He go, if he beg me, I no agree. He go, they cost me. See him. When I see him, as he beg. So tell my guy, call voice and say, leave my woman alone. If una want her, they plan for una. It's a virgin agbe. Must see a virgin agbe me. No man will leave me where you know they come back. Because I know how to treat a man. Let them fall in love with you. Never you force so sheep. Or in the name of love. Don't be lost. Don't love. Let them love you. Let them love you. Control your emotion towards man. But be good. So that if he comes, they will not say, no woman you go meet when you go come back, come beg you. Then it's too late. Don't be used and drop. They can pick you anytime when they want. I'm talking out of experience. Wait till they make this also. This also, don't forget my matter. As a little palm, go Nigeria. You know, it's because they, me know, you go the surprise fake account, go the write on my video, say, who you leave the key for? Now him. He got surprised because when he toast me, I got us I won't go Nigeria. And since you know they work now, before you go take Adoro, you help me they look pick me and rush, go come 2 weeks. That one when mommy love